Packing for your summer vacation in Europe can be so much fun. It's so exciting to pack all the little things that will make our adventure so much better. So I wanted to share with you my list of top things that I will be carrying with us to make our trip a little easier, a little better, a little bit more fun. My first thing that I will be carrying is a phone lanyard. I do not want to lose my phone, especially on vacation, so I purchased one of these lanyards. They come in a pack of 2, and you can hang it around your neck, you can hang it around your wrist, you can also connect it to the inside of your purse, and that way you won't have to worry about losing your phone. The second thing that I will be packing is compression socks. I purchased these on Amazon. You can get them in different sizes. These are large, extra large. You can also get them in different grades, depending on how much compression you need. And they are great for long flights. They really changed my idea of, compression socks are for old people once I used them on my last trip last year to the UK. They are incredible. And if you're unsure of how much compression you need, it's best to talk to your doctor about it. And definitely consider getting some compression socks for your European flight. The next thing I will be packing is laundry detergent sheets. I will be washing by hand while we are on vacation. We will be doing carry-on only, so we will be carrying minimal clothes. We will be carrying thin clothing. Anything that dries quickly is the best for when you're doing hand washing. These, by the way, they smell incredible. I had them in my suitcase for storage, and my whole suitcase just smells amazing. So Arm & Hammer, definitely the way to go. If you are going to do laundry on your vacation, might I suggest some of these. This is a portable laundry line. This set comes in a set of 2, and you can see it already comes with the nifty clips to hang up all your laundry. And a lot of European hotels have balconies. You can also hang these in your room, in the bathroom. A lot of times, you'll have the windows open, the nice ocean breeze, that beautiful non-humid air in Europe will dry your clothes really quickly. The next thing that I will be carrying is a Turkish towel. I had never heard of Turkish towels until recently, but supposedly they're all the rage. They come in these beautiful patterns, beautiful colors. They are thin, they are lightweight. They can be used for a shawl while you're going out at nighttime. They dry really quickly if you're using them as a towel. You can also use it on the airplane for a blanket when it's cold. So definitely have these in your bag, your carry-on bag on the plane if you're not doing carry-on only, because this will come in so handy. I can just tell. I'm so excited about this purchase. The next thing that I will be carrying is a collapsible water bottle. Now this one already has a carabiner attached to it to attach it to a handbag or a backpack. And as you can see, it's super thin, super light. And this one also came in a pack of 2, so I will be linking that as well. I will be linking all the products that I'm showing you today in the description of this video, so that way you can check them out. The next thing I will be carrying is I will be carrying this nifty little adorable, I love the color by the way, toiletry bag. It's made by a company named Tripped. I've actually seen it advertised quite a few times since I've purchased it, so I'm very excited about it. It has this little hook, of course, that you can hook it in your room, in your bathroom. It has this outside pocket that I really love the concept of, because this way you can put things in here for the plane that you'd like to get to easily. That way you don't have to open up the whole entire pouch. This pocket also actually can be opened from the inside, so I think that's really cool. Then you also have a plastic compartment here. This detaches as well. You have a carry-on approved toiletry bag, which I think is really cute. It actually tells you TSA 311, 1 quart, carry-on approved. And I just think this is the best thing since sliced bread, because usually we use Ziploc bags and this is just so much better. There's another pouch here for curling iron, hairbrushes, wet clothes, maybe a wet swimsuit or something small. That's so convenient. And there's another 1, 2, 3, 4 different compartments for you to put things in. So it's very compact, very small, but still packs a punch in the amount of stuff you can put in this. The next thing I will be carrying is a travel-on travel purse. It is very sleek, very thin. It also has little locks here on the sides by your zippers, which is really good to have, because that way once you lock that, you don't have to worry about anyone trying to get into your purse easily. It's also slash resistant here as well as on both sides, so no worries about anyone trying to slash open your bag. I know nobody wants to talk about it, but pickpocketing and stealing are things that happen all around the world. And especially when traveling, you really need to pay attention to your surroundings and keep a hold of your items, your belongings. The next thing I will be carrying is for you ladies, for us ladies. I will be carrying one of these. It attaches to my bra. It is by PacSafe. It's a little pouch. It's super, super thin. You can put, some money in here, credit cards, and that way you can keep all those valuables safe, and it's easy to get to. That's just another way to stay safe while you're on vacation. I will also be packing miniature toiletries. I have a couple examples here. Sunscreen, very important during the summer. And this one also has a little hook. You can hook it to the outside of your backpack, the outside of your purse. You can get to it easily. I did talk about packing miniature toiletries in one of my other videos. I will link that for you as well, so you can go ahead and watch that later. Miniature toothpastes, very important. It's easy to pack quite a few of these, and you won't have to worry, especially if you're doing carry-on only. I also have another stick for sunscreen. This is 1.5 ounces, so it's perfect. It can go in your carry-on. Another thing I will be packing is I will be packing a travel adapter. Now this one I believe is for Europe. I also have one for the UK. One's Europe, one's UK. And it's just something simple that you're definitely going to need. So definitely do not forget about your travel adapter. Whoopsies. Sorry about that. And the last thing that I will be carrying, I have not purchased it yet, but I'm going to purchase it, is an eSIM for my phone. That way I will be online the whole entire vacation. I won't have to worry about finding internet at an airport, in the hotel. I will be reachable 24/7, and it's just so much simpler when you know that you're online all the time. So those are just some of the things that I will be carrying. My next video will be about how to pack for carry-on. So I might have a few extra tips and things that you should pack, you should consider packing. And that's about it for today. So I hope you have a great day, and thank you for watching this video. I appreciate all of y'all so very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh, hey, you're still here. Great. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.